I am in Photoshop. I'm gonna open the photo I took on my phone. So let's go ahead and just click on open. And my desktop is where I saved it. So I'm just gonna click on me.jpg. That's what I saved it as. Not the best photo, but hey, this is just kind of to get us started. What I want to do, and you can see up here I have these rulers. If I hit Command R, that toggles my rulers. I do want to have these rulers so that I can grab a guide. And my guides are like set to snap to grid. So I'll show you where that is. Actually, I think it's under view. Snap, snap to, guides, layers, document bounds. So what I want to do is just go ahead and get the halfway point so that I can make an easy marquee selection. So the marquee tool is this tool here. It's shortcut. It's the letter M. So when I hit the letter M on my keyboard, that gives me the marquee tool. Now what's nice is this snap to is going to snap to this guide right here. I'm definitely off center in this picture. So maybe I should make myself my face a little more in the center so that I can actually properly cut myself in half. So let's do that first. I'm going to hit Control Z. And what I'm going to do, so I want to keep that guide there. And then this way I can actually use that guide to know where the middle of my face is. I have this dialog box. I just double clicked on this layer to make it a normal layer. Say OK. Now I can move my picture over so that my nose is in the center of this thing. Then I'll use the crop tool to just make it smaller. Just crop that stuff out. There we go. So now I'm more in the center of my picture. Now I'll take the marquee tool. M for marquee. I could even crop this stuff out too. You know what? I'll do that first. Crop this out. There we go. And now, so see, here's the crop tool. I believe its shortcut is C. Indeed, it is. So now I'm going to use the marquee tool again. That's the letter M, as I just mentioned before. I'm going to go ahead and just click and drag over this and hit Control, or on a Mac, Command, and the letter C. What that's going to do is it'll let me duplicate or copy what I've selected. If I hit Command and V on a Mac, you can see I've got half of my face right here. So now I can just turn around and say image. Actually, I'm sorry, it's edit transform. Edit transform. And then I can just tell it to, where's the flip? There it is, flip horizontal. So see how I've got the second half of my face? I can then just turn and there I am. So that's me perfectly symmetrical. Kind of weird, but okay. And then I will name this file, save as, and then I'll save this as a Photoshop file. It's not going to be me. It's going to be my first name, underscore L, underscore silly selfie. And that's it. I got this dialog box, hit OK. And then I'll take that Photoshop file and upload it to my assignment. And that's it. That's all I need from you guys. I hope you enjoy this. It's meant to be fun. Have fun with it. That's all for now.